Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, we'll be working here. Let me show you a BMW 3 Series, guys. And what we'll be doing, we'll apply to BMW 5 Series as well. This one will be for E90, E60, you know, like E91, 92, E61, so 3 and 5 series, guys. If you have, let me show you one annoying brake light on the dash, how to get rid of it. Okay, let me start the car now for you and you can check it out now. Okay, in a second, we're going to get annoying brake light. Okay, check it out, that annoying, super annoying brake light with the lift. So, how we can reset that one, that's what we'll be doing today. Also, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, guys, so please give a thumb up, subscribe to the channel. We have videos on 5 3 series all the time. Now we need to go ahead, okay, and if you click that button here, let me see if it's better with light or without light. I think with light is a little bit better. We're going to go to service info, click BC, and now we can see the services that are late, but this is the one that triggered our thing, okay, 40 miles ago. So how we guys reset that thing? Okay, you need to turn the car off. Okay, turn it off and turn just the ignition on. Okay, just the ignition on means that the lights will be on but the engine will not be running. Then hold that button, okay, until you see one yellow triangle appearing. Okay, and in our case, what we need to do, we need to click BC first to delete all the messages. And I went back, okay. Let me turn the car off. I didn't do it right. Turn the ignition on. Okay, I'll cover every scenario with you. We turn the ignition on. Now, you have to wait for that service window to go out or click BC to clear it. Okay, until you see the clock. Then hold that one until you see a yellow triangle and let go. Okay. Let me see. Okay, keep holding and then let go until we get to the service thing. Now right here you go to the service that you want to reset. In our case is for this one, for the brake light. I would recommend to do that only if you replace your brake pads or whatever service it's supposed to be done. You see ours says brake pads are worn to the minimum thickness. Now I'll click BC one time and then click BC and hold until it resets. Okay, it's good for another 9,000 miles. Okay, so now reset is done. I can go ahead and turn it off. Let me start it now. Okay, that one will be the same for 3 and 5 series, and that message is not there anymore. You can see, don't have it in the iDrive as well. Now, again, how you get to the service menu to reset things, you just turn the ignition on and hold that thing. You see a yellow triangle and keep holding until, okay, let me fix that. Okay, keep holding until the service menu pops up. Okay, like that. And then you just select the one you want to reset. So, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.